How to write and execute your first C program. Open your CodeBlocks IDE. First, we need to create a C program file. To create a C program file, go to File tab. Click on New option. Now select File option. Now select C/C++ source option and click Go button. You can skip this option and click Next. You can see there are two options, C and C++. Select C option for C programming and click Next. Now click on three dots. Here you can type the name for your C program file. I'm gonna write my first C program. Now click Save. At last, click on Finish. You can see your saved file has opened. Now we write our C program. I'm just gonna write a simple C program with message, my first C program. After you write your C program, just click on Build and Run icon. It will show you the output on a black console window. You can see our message has been displayed. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button and subscribe Learning Ace for more helpful videos.